Shalom aleichem, my Assyrian dishes friends. I'm Julian and today we'll be making pickled cabbage. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients you will need for the pickled cabbage. You'll need 1 whole red cabbage, 1 litre of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, and 1 litre of water. And this is how your pickled cabbage should look like. Serve it on its own or add it to any salad for an extra crunch. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit our website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone! And if you're interested in any of our Assyrian Dishes kitchen products like our apron, tumbler, chopping board, oven mitts, tea towels, pastry brush and spatula, you can email us on assyriandishes@gmail.com or visit our website.